I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Voyage drone. First, make sure your drone's battery is fully charged for optimal performance. Next, download the official Voyage drone app from your device's app store. Once installed, power on your drone and place it on a stable, flat surface, ready for the next steps. Now, let's get your drone connected via Wi-Fi. Go to your smartphone or tablet's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a network named something like Voyage Drone XXXX. Select this network. If a password is required, it's usually found in your drone's manual, often a simple default like 12,345,678. With the Wi-Fi connected, open the Voyage Drone app. The app should automatically detect and connect to your drone. Look for a connected status indicator. Before your first flight, it's crucial to calibrate the drone's gyroscope. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app to complete this important step for stable flight. Before taking off, perform a quick pre-flight check. Verify that all propeller guards are securely attached. Make sure you have ample clear space, at least 10 feet in all directions, for safe operation. Finally, review the flight controls within the app's tutorial section to familiarize yourself with piloting your new Voyage drone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.